Hey guys, Sam here with the Unboxer, where I unbox things I buy from Amazon. Well, not just Amazon, but for now it's mainly Amazon, just because I've been shopping there a lot. So here's the next thing here I want to review or open up for you guys. It's a 3D garden. 3D garden. Got this for my daughter. She likes crafts. She's 5 years old. It's like a puzzle. Comes with markers as well. So I'm not gonna actually put this together for you guys, but I'm gonna open it up and show you kind of what's inside. I'll show you an end result or a picture of it later. So yeah, we got the markers, two sets. And then here's yeah, like I said, the puzzles. So you put these together and you actually color them. So this one here is a swan. You got a spider of some sorts. What is this? Ooh. This is a lion. Elephant. Horse. Last but not least, I think it's a triceratops. Yeah, I think it is. Anyways, that's it, guys. This one's pretty short. Like I said, I'm not gonna put these together. I might have my daughter do that, but I'll show you the end results. Hopefully, I remember to take a picture of it for you guys. Otherwise, link is in the description. I'll see you soon. Bye. Oh, one more thing. I think I forgot to kind of mention about these. You're probably wondering what they're made of. I think they're like made out of cardboard or some kind of hard paper. But yeah, it's pretty sturdy. So, see ya.